and welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Protoje heads off on tour, but he did so in style with a special send-off party last night at the Lot in Kingston. The event, presented by New Wave and Indignation Collective, saw Protoje, Lil and Jessie Royal touching the mic ahead of their Lost in Time tour in the US. Protoje also excited fans as he announced his new album Third Time's the Charm, due this September, along with the premiere of his Lost in Time Music Festival scheduled for next February in Jamaica. The event also saw guest appearances from Beenie Man, Savannah, Samori I, Ching Ching, Diani and Rasai, along with many socialites and fans out in their numbers. Protoje, Lil and Jessie are set to kick off the Lost in Time tour in Atlanta this Friday, making stops in New York, Georgia and California before wrapping up in October. Awesome show. Now, Get Up Stand Up by Bob Marley is certified silver in the UK. The British phonographic industry BPI certified the song silver after it sold over 200,000 units. Get Up Stand Up was written by Peter Tosh and Bob Marley and was the last song performed by Marley on stage at the Stanley Theatre before his death. Get Up Stand Up was produced by Chris Blackwell as the lead single on the Wailers' 1973 album, Burning. The song became an enduring anthem of people power, adopted by civil rights activists around the world. Now, Ding Dong Ravers performs before 20,000 people in New York over the weekend. The dancer-turned-dancehall artist was elated after performing at Michelle Montano's Soca Anniversary Celebration Soca Kingdom last Friday at Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York. A grateful Ding Dong took to his social media last evening where he opened up to his fans saying, quote, "Yo, if you're from the ghetto and they ever told you that you cannot move the world, they're telling lies. Over 20,000 people at a soca event in Brooklyn. Look at the kid from Nannyville off Mountain View Avenue in Kingston, Jamaica." End quote. Ding Dong also went on to congratulate the top soca artist Michelle Montano for hosting a successful event and also thanked him for allowing him the opportunity to be a part of the celebration. The annual event also featured performances from Lil Rick, Patrice Roberts and Motto and Voice. From the ghetto to the world. Good one, Ding Dong. Now that's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.